IC Wealth is a brokerage account or a brokerage company that allow us to buy and sell shares in the Ghana stock market, and they have a program that they have introduced called the IC Liquidity Fund. And the IC Liquidity Fund is a fund or a platform that allow you to put your money on the platform. So the money that they will put on the platform, it will start hearing for you so that you will receive something or benefit from it. So when to access the IC platform, just pick your phone and enter icwealth.com. On your Play Store, you get, or App Store, you get the app and download the app. If you open it, this is my dashboard on my PC, and this is how it look out. Okay, so when I come back, we have the dashboard here. We have the trade live dashboard. That means you are getting to the stock market. If you come to the IC liquidity, that's the IC program that we are talking about. So I hit on the IC liquidity. So that means this is the amount of money I have on my IC platform, my liquidity platform. And this money I deposited it was 500 Ghana cedis, and I made it on 12th of January 2025. So after I'm recording this video, I've got 4.045 Ghana cedis on this money that I just put out there, right? So that means if you put your money there, you benefit from it. So if you check here, this is my transaction, and I deposited it on the 10th of January, right? So on the 10th of January that I deposited this money, it was at 50 pesos. And for the beginning, 1st September 2024, I tried it by putting only 50 cedis out here. I withdraw it rather, yeah, I withdraw it, but I put the money on 25th January, right? And deposited it, withdrawn it on this time, right? So to invest in the IC liquidity, you come here, we have the portfolio here, that's what your profile ID, and we have the dashboard here. Here you can make a purchase, right? And we have a withdrawal here and transfer. If you want to transfer it, you can do that one. So I want to add fund. You come here, then you choose the portfolio. So the portfolio is important. So here you choose the IC liquidity fund. Then you come back here, you enter the amount of money you want to invest. In case I enter 100 cedis, come here and choose the platform that you want to use. So we have the MasterCard and Visa card, Ether Tigo or Vodafone, and we have the MTN mobile money. So if you in case you choose mobile money, you come here and select your mobile money payment account. If you haven't added your payment account, you can add it here. Then you hit on submit. So they will send you a prompt into your mobile wallet so that you confirm it with your email address, with your mobile pin code. If you confirm it, they will just put the money in your wallet. So your money will be there anytime. You can withdraw it, and withdrawing it, they will not take any money from you, or they will not deduct any. There will be no deduction in your money. If you want to withdraw all your full money, you get all your full money from it. So that's how it works out here. So instead of you putting your money on MTN without getting nothing, just come to here and put it out there. So today's date is on the 25th, and I put this money on the 10th of January, and I've made 4.45 on this money. So someone may ask, why do you put money on somewhere and you start to benefit from it? The money that you have deposited here, the IC company is using that money to trade, to invest in a lot of stars. They invest in companies and stars. So while they are making profits out there, and they will go on sharing the profit to their customers, who also helping them growing their funds or their resources, right? So that's how it works. And if you are new here or you have watched to this far, you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe and like this video. If you have any question, let's know in the comment section. Thank you for watching out. See you in the next video. Our next video, we talk about how to invest in the US stock market.